pictures of him. I want one for my room. Take 2 really good pictures. Okay, do you want me to give him off? You want me to get him off of you after he grips onto you? You like this, huh? You like playing the little game? Good. If you poke him, he likes it. He likes to be poked. Look at the froggy. Oh my god, his eyes turned red for a minute. He's mad. Let's leave him be and poke him. If he jump, oh, almost gripped onto my hand. Okay, I'll get him off.